Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you all 4 healthy and quick tiffin recipes for kids. So friends, let's get started with the video. The first one is veg macaroni loaded with vegetables, which makes it not only healthy but tasty also. So let's begin with the recipe. So here I have taken 1.5 cup of macaroni or elbow pasta, sufficient for 3 people, and now we need to boil them. I have already heated some water in a saucepan, and into this I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt. Now add the macaroni or elbow pasta into the hot water. Drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil. Give this a mix. And after about 3 minutes, our macaroni is cooked perfectly, but don't overcook it. And now I will turn off the flame, drain off the water, and then rinse the macaroni with cold water. Next, heat a non-stick pan and pour around 1 tablespoon of olive oil or vegetable oil. Now add 1 medium onion chopped. Saute the onions for a while. Next goes some veggies like cauliflower cut into small florets, beans cut diagonally, some chopped carrots, and some chopped cabbage. Now saute all the veggies on medium flame for about 1 minute. And now we will cover and cook the veggies on low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 4 minutes, remove the lid. Stir the veggies once. Next goes some frozen sweet corns and peas. Stir them for a while. I'll add now 1 medium tomato chopped and some chopped capsicum. I'm adding the tomatoes and capsicum later as they don't take much time to get cooked and I don't want to overcook them. Saute them for a while. And now I will quickly season the veggies with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional. If you want, you can add or you can skip it. Now mix all the spices well along with the veggies. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Maggie hot and sweet sauce. You can also add tomato ketchup. This will keep the veggies moist and juicy. Mix this once. And now time to add the boiled macaroni into the veggies. And on medium to high flame, we will saute the macaroni well along with the veggies. We will saute the macaroni for about 2 minutes so that it's coated well with the seasonings and sauce. That's it. Our macaroni is now ready to be packed in the tiffin box. And here goes kids' favorite healthy and yummy veg macaroni into the tiffin box. Do try this quick recipe for your kids' tiffin. And to add some more nutrition, I have added in the side box 2 apple slices and some oranges to complete the tiffin box. And now let's move on to the second recipe. The second recipe is loaded with protein, vitamins and essential nutrients. Can you guess? Well, it's egg muffins loaded with colorful veggies. So friends, let's get started with this very easy, quick and healthy recipe. To make egg muffins, I will break 2 eggs. With 2 eggs, you can make 5 muffins. And into this, I will add some milk, say around 1.5 tablespoons. This will make the muffins soft and fluffy. And now I will season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now whisk this well. And now time to add some colorful veggies like a small bowl of grated carrots, some sweet corns, some shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. You can also add processed cheese cubes, and finely chopped parsley. You can also add coriander leaves. Now whisk all the ingredients well. If you want, you can also add tomatoes, red, yellow, green bell peppers, but my daughter doesn't like it, so I am not adding. Friends, this is a healthy oil-free recipe, and if your kids love eggs but you are apprehensive of sending eggs to school, then this is a great recipe as it's difficult to guess and find any traces of egg here. I'm going to use this kind of silicone molds to bake my egg muffins, and now I will brush some oil in the molds. Now pour the vegetable egg batter into the greased molds. Leave some gap on top as it's going to rise up when we bake this. And now you can either bake this in a preheated oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, but I'm going to bake this in a preheated karhai. So as you can see, I have already preheated my karhai. First place a stand in the karhai and then place a steel plate, and on top of the plate we will place the molds like this. And now we will cover this with a tight lid, and on low flame we will bake this for about 12 to 15 minutes. It's almost 15 minutes. Let's check the muffins now. They are very hot now and they look so yummy and cheesy, isn't it? So these are ready. I will turn off the flame and allow them to cool down slightly. And now I'm going to take them out from the molds. So our yummy and healthy oil-free muffins are ready to be packed now, and they have turned out so soft and fluffy. I'll break and show one muffin cooked well from inside with all the fillings and cheese. So all the moms out there, I hope you will try this super easy, quick and healthy oil-free recipe for your kids' tiffin as well. I have added here some sprouts and soaked almonds in the side box to add some more nutrition to the meal. And now let's move on to the third recipe. The third one is a grilled veg sandwich packed with veggies and cheese, which is an ideal recipe for kids' tiffin box. So let's get started with it. So here I have taken 3 medium boiled potatoes, and now I'm going to mash this with the help of a masher. Alright, this is done. Next goes some colorful veggies like a bowl of grated carrots, some frozen peas, some frozen sweet corns, and 1 medium onion roughly chopped. And now we need to saute all this. Next, heat a non-stick pan and drizzle a teaspoon of vegetable oil and 2 small cubes of butter. Let the butter melt completely. Spread this on all the sides of the pan. Now add the veggies along with the mashed potatoes, and on medium flame we need to saute this well until they are well combined. And now we'll quickly season this with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and a pinch of chili flakes. This is optional. Now mix everything well. And our filling for our sandwich is ready now. I'm using white bread to make sandwich, but you can also use brown bread as well. This is Neutralite cheesy garlic mayo. This tastes good in any sandwiches, rolls and wraps, but you can use regular veg mayo also. Now I will generously spread the cheesy garlic mayo in the bread slices. And now I will generously layer one slice of bread with the filling which we have prepared. Next I am going to add a layer of cheese slice. You can also add grated cheese. And now my sandwiches are ready to be grilled. This is my Ken's grill sandwich maker. Now brush few drops of oil in the grill plate and place the sandwiches side by side. Close the lid. This is an automatic sandwich maker. When the red light goes off, that means the sandwiches are ready. The red light is off now. That means the sandwiches are grilled well. So here are our sandwiches, grilled well from both the sides and are now ready to be served. Before serving, I will slice the sandwiches into two parts like this. And here is our yummy and cheesy veg sandwiches ready to be packed in the tiffin box. So friends, I hope you'll also try this yummy and healthy veg sandwich recipe for your kids' tiffin, as it is loaded with veggies and cheese, which makes out for a delicious filling. In the side box, I will add some grapes and orange slices. And here it goes. And now let's move on to the fourth and last recipe. And our fourth and last tiffin recipe is kids' favorite veg chow mein, which you can make it quickly and will be tasty also. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So for my veg chow mein, I have taken here some shredded cabbage, carrot cut into long thin strips, one medium onion sliced into juliennes, red, yellow, green bell peppers cut into juliennes or long strips, and some minced garlic and ginger. And now let's start with the cooking process. So here I have added one large packet of chow mein in hot water to boil, and till the noodles are getting boiled, we will fry the veggies. For that, heat a large non-stick pan or kadhai and add around 1.5 tablespoons of refined oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add the minced ginger, garlic and the sliced onions. Now saute the onion and ginger garlic for a while. Next, add the carrot strips and the shredded cabbage, and we will saute them until they are slightly cooked. So by now these veggies are almost cooked, and at this stage we will add the bell peppers as we want to retain their crunchiness. Now saute them for just few seconds. And now we will quickly season the veggies with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is seasoning mix which you get inside instant noodles packet like Maggie or Top Ramen. This will give a good taste to our chow mein. We'll add only half of the packet. Now mix everything well. Next goes half teaspoon of dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of Maggie hot and sweet chili sauce. You can also add tomato ketchup if you want. This will keep the noodles moist and prevent from drying out after it's cooked. Mix this well again. And now time to add the boiled noodles into the wok or pan. And on high flame we will stir fry the noodles well along with the veggies so that they are combined well with the veggies and sauce. This will take a couple of minutes. So by now the noodles are fried well and is coated well with all the flavors of the seasonings and sauce. That's it. Our veg chow mein is now ready to be packed in the tiffin box. So friends, do try this delicious, quick and easy veg chow mein recipe for your kids' tiffin box, and I'm sure your kids will also love this if you prepare it in this way. In the side box, I will add some dry fruits and nuts like cashews, almonds, raisins, pistachios and walnuts to add some more nutrition. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching my today's 4 tiffin recipes video. Also do share your feedbacks and please do subscribe my channel if you haven't. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.